In this case study today, customer is looking for an outbound dialer solution that can work directly with Cisco Callmanager without any call center needed. They want to be able to create campaigns with built-in IVR, which also has a speech recognition and text-to-speech features available offline for English and Arabic. The whole solution will be used in a high-security environment that has no internet access. Everything needs to be able to work offline, including the speech recognition and text-to-speech. All recordings and reporting data must be encrypted for the highest level of security. COMSTIS Outbound Dialer can work standalone as well as with UCCX and UCC call centers. It includes built-in IVR with speech recognition and text-to-speech. All of our solutions are designed to work on premises and they run on Linux OS for maximum security and encryption requirements. Agents have agent web phone for handling calls, monitoring real-time activity, and shift information. Check out comsys.com/dialer to learn more about COMSTIS Outbound Dialer and request a demo.